So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week, right, on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's all see what Swiss franc JPY is actually going to be giving us this week. But first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend right here on our Swiss franc JPY. So remember, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is. Then you have to trade with the trend. Remember, guys, first know your trend, second trade with the trend. Now when you take a look at this, your Swiss franc JPY, it is very clear and it is very simple. Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. We are both very much in an uptrend move. You can see it right here. We are very much bullish, right? As you can see that we are moving to the upside, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in, market was able to push out to form an high, and then we had a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then was able to give us a new higher high, and this is an higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. We eventually, had this pullback, which made market to push up again. The market came back again to tap this low right here. So we can now see this to be a major level, which is our support zone. So you can see that once you have multiple touch at a level, highlight that level and make that level a crucial level, because markets will most likely or definitely come back to retest that same level again. So I want you to have it in mind that if there's a multiple rejection at a level, right, have it in mind that markets will most likely going to come back to that same level again or react to that level. So markets literally came back here, tap it, pushed up, right? It eventually drop again. It is dropping, so we'll be expecting that drop to come to eventually tap this low. So we will be expecting market to come to tap a level of 197. So a bearish move to level of 197 is what we should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to drop to give us. So expect Swiss franc JPY to drop to come to a level of 197. Once it comes and hits a level of 197, right, then and then I'm going to give you guys an update and let you guys know what we'll be expecting next. There's a possibility that after it comes to tap this support, market will likely bounce up and push up. But first, let us see it drop to tap this support level, which is the level of 197. More update on this, right, will be covered for you guys. So guys, now if you take a look at this, we are now expecting, right, market to literally drop to tap a level of 197.989. Now let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here, guys. This is our 4-hour time frame, and markets literally they give us a low and a lower high. Then we had a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. When you take a look at this also, you will see this to be a lower low, and this is the lower high, right? Now this is an equal low right here that market has given us. Market has given us an equal low right here, which literally gives us a pullback. So expect it to tap this 10-period simple moving average. Once it taps the 10-period simple moving average, then anticipate for one more drop that will be made to completely take out this low. So if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell, so like I said, this is the potential 180 pips to be made on this movement. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.